So for this assignment, what you need to do is go to Google Drive. You'll have to sign in with your password, and you should already have a district. Is sps19.org at this part of the address, and then you should have a password. You could use, if you have a different Google account, it doesn't matter as long as you know you should have access to a Google account. So go ahead and sign in, and then go ahead and come up here and go to Google Drive, and then you can just start a new document. And in the document, what you want to do for this assignment is, well, first of all, just title your document Bibliography Assignment. And then here's your title up here. And then you're going to click up here where it says add-ons. And right now, I already have this add-on that I want you to put on, but you don't have it yet unless you've already put it on. So you're going to go to Get Add-ons, and then you're going to find the Easy Bib right here, Bibliography Maker. And since I already have it on there, mine just says Manage, but I think yours will say something about, uploading it. So just go ahead, and when you do that, when you upload it onto your Google Docs and Google Drive, you should then, the next time you go to add-ons, it should be right here. And then you're going to come over here and say Manage Bibliography. And then over here on the side, you'll see this area over here is where, if you're doing a paper, and your paper's over here, and you have your, I'm just going to write jibber jabber here. But let's say this is my whole paper, right? And then I have pages of writing, and I need my bibliography to be at the end. So right here is where I'm going to put either the title of a book that I'm looking at. I could click on journal article if I go to the library and I've been looking in some magazines, or if I've been looking on websites, which most of us tend to do our research on now, I would click that. Let's say I'm doing a paper on World War II. So I'm going to come over here to this website, and let's say I want to do some, let's see here. I want to take some information from this article, and there's going to be maybe some quotes that I use, or even if I just paraphrase and just use any information I get from here, any of it, I'm going to have to source it and say where I got the information from and cite it. So I'm going to go ahead, and up here I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this website. Coming back over here, I'll put it right in here, and search for it, make a search, and here it is, the Encyclopedia Britannica Online. I'll select that, and here it is. It's in my bibliography now, right here. I want to get it, and for this assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to find three different sources. They could all be from the internet like I'm doing right now, but there's going to be three sources of information. Here's another one from the Atlantic. Again, I'm going to copy and paste that over here because I'm still on website. I'm going to search for that, and it says here the Atlantic. Yes, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead, and that's also now added right here. So now I've got two of my, and I also want you to use MLA because there's different formats. There's APA in Chicago, but in whatever class you're in, like let's say you go into college, they may say, hey, put it in APA format. And it just changes slightly the format down here is what that means. Here's Chicago. It's got a little bit different. You can see how it changed a little bit, but this is the MLA format that we're going to be using for this assignment. And again, here's another one. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that one. We'll do three for this assignment that you're going to pick. It doesn't have to be World War II. It could be on Wales or whatever you want it to be. You're just going to do three random websites. And then see I have the 3 here. I'm going to add the bibliography to the document. And there it is down here. It's put it right after my 5-page paper, we're pretending that is. And it's put the works cited down here. Now, you don't have to put this jibber jabber here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I just wanted to show you that if you were to have written a paper, this is going to be, when you click add bibliography, it's just going to put it at the end of your paper, which is awesome. So this is useful when you're doing any kind of document, or even if you're making a slideshow presentation using PowerPoint, or even the presentation that you can use with Google Drive. You could then just take this information here from your bibliography you created, and you can copy it and paste it as the last slide of a presentation, of a PowerPoint or a Google presentation. So it's very useful to, and very easy to create a bibliography, and you should definitely do that correctly. Don't just put website URLs at the end. Use this bibliography maker in all of your assignments that you have for us. It's the correct way to present your works cited at the end of any kind of presentation you do. So for this assignment, you're just going to turn this in right here. Let's say, this is the assignment I'll be turning in, let's say, and this is it. This has got my 3 citations, and they're correctly formatted in MLA style. And then I'm just going to submit this to my advisor as my assignment for this assignment. So again, pick any websites you want and go ahead and send that to your teacher, and then use this in the future. Very, very easy to do a bibliography. There should be